Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Check it out. I wanted to talk about this because this is really something that is hard to understand so many times. It really is hard to understand. And it's the fact that there's so many haters here in the community, right? I mean, literally, not talking about the motorcycle community. I'm not talking about that community in specific. I'm talking about in general. So many haters are in this platform called YouTube. And I'm going to tell you, I love YouTube. I really do. I have had some issues with them as a company. Some of their beliefs, some of the ways that they conduct themselves, and some of the things that they do, I disagree with. Specifically when it talks to like the gun community and things like that. Obviously they really have done things that to me is not right, but overall the ability to come here and being able to spread a message to me is just fantastic. It's great. It literally doesn't cost us any money to open an account and be able to spread the message, right? And the thing that I like the most is the fact that I get to pick who I want to watch, and I get to pick what I want to, talk about, or what I want to research on, or what I want to learn. I get to pick that stuff, And I'm going to tell you right now, something that I just don't understand is when it comes down to the troll, why people gotta hate so much. And here's the thing, I got a different channel. You guys know that, and in that channel, I got like 56,000 people, 57,000 people, something like that. I got about 15 million views, and I'm going to tell you a little bit over 15 million views. And I've been blessed to be able to be part of that community, and I've been blessed to be able to do the things that I do in that channel, right? I have had some complications. If you follow me from my main channel, you know that I've been having issues when it comes to YouTube, right? And again, it is what it is, but nevertheless, I still have the ability to try to push my message and do my videos and enjoy some of the things that I do, right? So I still do that. But here's the thing that I always get, it always kind of like bugs me in a way. And it's not really because of me, it's not really because anything else. It's just a simple fact that I kind of feel sorry in a way for some of those guys that are having so much hate, right? Really a lot of hate, and in a way I feel bad for them because they're living their life consumed by this hate and consumed by unhappiness and consumed by so many different factors that to me just feels so bad. I really do feel bad in a way, and it has to be with the trolls, right? Now here's the thing. Just recently I posted a video, right? And before I even posted the video, I mean, again, I posted the video. Let me take it back. I posted the video, and it had to be more than a few seconds. I already had a dislike. I'm gonna put a picture here for you guys to see. Now, to me, that's just insane because, like I say, the video could have not been posted more than a couple, I don't know, a minute and a half. So that tells me that that person is subscribed to the channel, obviously. And not only that, it probably has notifications turned on. So it has the notifications on, subscribe to the channel, and is actively looking for a video to be able to dislike, to be able to do that. It's literally actively looking, waiting for me to be able to hit me up with the dislike. Again, I just recently saw a video where an individual was talking about likes and dislikes and all that stuff, and should we have a dislike button? And in my opinion, we should, because it allows you guys to, kind of express yourself when you don't like a video, right? A video that I posted, you don't like it, you dislike it, that's okay, right? And if you actually understand analytics and you understand how all that works, actually, I don't know about now, but at one point YouTube itself did not even know the difference between a like and a dislike. So technically, every time you dislike the video, you really, what you were doing was giving the channel an engagement, which in other words, what you really did was that you helped the channel, really didn't you know, affected the channel by any way. So it's kind of funny. People think I dislike the video to cause or to like mess with the creator, but in all reality, you were actually helping the creator by giving them an engagement. But here's the thing, you know, I definitely agree that dislikes or dislikes and likes should be part of it. You know, I like to see when people like my videos. It kind of tells me, all right, I need to do more of these videos. I kind of like to see when people dislike the video, because it tells me, oh, okay, maybe this is not a video that I should be doing. People really do not enjoy that. But the problem here is when they do it for, you know, just being mean about it, just being you know, kind of mean about the whole situation, and kind of like they have like a power trip, like I'm gonna dislike your video and this and that. Now, here's the thing. I've been doing this. I know some of you guys are gonna tell me that don't pay attention to the trolls, don't pay attention to none of the stuff, and I don't. You know, I've been doing this, like I said, for 6.5 years, maybe longer, right? I got, you know, like I say, my main channel, I got a lot of views already. I got over 15 million views. So to me, it's something that I'm used to, right? I'm used to deal with views. I'm used to deal with the situation. I used to deal with all this stuff. So it's nothing that I'm not used to it. And in fact, it doesn't really even affect me, right? It doesn't really not really affect me. And that's okay. But the thing about it is that I was thinking about this, is that I just feel bad for the person that lived their life with that sadness in their heart, where all they're thinking is like, I'm going to dislike your video, I'm going to kind of hurt your channel in some kind of way. I mean, that's not what I do. When I watch YouTube videos, like I say, I like to see some of the videos, some of the research. I like to watch a lot of history. I watch some gun channels, I watch some history channel, I listen to music. I'm doing it for fun. And if it's something that is being played and I just don't like it, I carry on. I go like, all right, I don't like the channel. I don't like what they're putting out, or for whatever reason, you know, it's time for me to carry on and go into something else, look for a different channel, right? That's the way I look at it. I mean, I don't wish the creator anything bad or anything like that. I just, like I said, I just continue with my life. But there are some people that they actually try to hurt channels, and they do it out of being mean and just, you know, really mean. So again, you know, here's the thing, 2 things that I want to make. If you're a creator out there and you're posting videos and this happens to you, don't sweat it. Don't sweat it at all. Continue with what you're doing. I always heard things like, hey, when you start getting disliked, that means that you're actually making it, right? You're making it in YouTube. So if you're a creator out there and you're having this kind of issues, don't worry about it. Continue, right? If people are disliking your videos because it actually something that you need to improve, take that and improve whatever you need to improve. But if it's just out of being mean, don't sweat it, man. No one cares. You know what I'm saying? Just continue with your life and continue posting your videos and continue having a great time. Now, I'm going to tell you, if you're a troll and you just, you know, disliking because you just want to dislike your videos, my biggest advice will be simple. Get a life. Really, get a life. Really, this is not that serious, man. When you spend the whole day waiting on a video for you to dislike it, you really need to get a life. You know, get a girlfriend or find a wife. Get some kids so you could be really busy and you don't have time for nonsense and to do this stuff. Really, this is like nonsense, you know? Don't grow up, man. But anyways, I just kind of feel bad for some of the people who's doing that. I wanted to talk about it. What do you guys think? Put comments down below. And as always, God is in control.